Om Namah Shivaya. Nowadays, music and entertainment are the main entity of any person, and also the cricket season is going on, so everyone wants to cheer its favorite team. By keeping all these aspects in the mind, Mivi has launched its Mivi Ford S60, a 60-watt soundbar to raise the volume of entertainment and for all cricket fans. I, PALLAV welcome you all in the unboxing of Mivi Ford S60 soundbar. Now, without waiting any further, let's get started with the unboxing. This is the main box of Mivi Ford S60 soundbar. On opening it, you get the main soundbar unit, and I must say, it is a strongly built and looks stunning. It weighs only 1.8 kgs. The other box contents, it contains an aux cable, a good tactile feel remote control, a DC power adapter, 2 AAA batteries, a welcome note from Mivi, a warranty registration, and a user manual and quick start guide. Now let's see what we get on the soundbar. At the back of soundbar, we get all the main ports, which includes a DC 20 volts power adapter, an aux connector, coaxial connector, and a USB Type A port for pen drives. On the left hand side of soundbar, you see volume rockers and a power on and off button. This Mivi Ford S60 soundbar comes with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, 2 speakers with the sound output of 60 watts, which is extremely loud with a 2.2 channel surround sound. I know you all are waiting for the sound quality of the soundbar, so here it is.
What am I doing? I don't even have my license. Oh God. Why are there so many of them? It has to be a dream. It'll kill me. Come on, bloody cupcake man! You're not gonna die. Let me save us.
According to me, at this price range, you are getting a best, strong build and a powerful soundbar, and I would definitely recommend you all to have a look at this. The Best Buy link of this soundbar is available in the description box. So, with all this being said, let's wrap up this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next unboxing video of some other product. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water, and please remember to wear the mask.